Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Getting started with your Cronus Zen for Rust Console is straightforward and significantly enhances your gameplay experience. This powerful adapter allows you to use custom scripts, providing features like improved recoil control and enhanced aim assist. It's designed to give you precise control, making those tough Rust encounters more manageable. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you leverage all its capabilities for an optimized performance in 2025. First, connect your Zen to your computer using the micro USB cable in the prog port located on the back of the device. This connection allows for crucial firmware updates. Always check for the latest firmware within Zen Studio. As of 2025, version 2.3 is recommended for optimal Rust performance. Keeping your firmware current is vital for compatibility with the newest game patches and scripts. Download the Zen Studio application to manage your device efficiently. With Zen Studio open and your device connected, head over to the Programmer tab on the left-hand side. Here, you will find a list of all available game packs. Locate the specific Rust Console Edition Game Pack 2025, which incorporates all the latest updates. Simply drag this game pack from the library onto one of the device's 8 memory slots shown at the bottom. This process uploads the core script directly to your Zen, preparing it for in-game use. Before diving into the action, calibrate your in-game Rust settings for optimal performance with your Zen. We recommend setting your controller dead zone to 0% and your look sensitivity between 40-60 for a solid starting point. Once in-game, you can access the game pack's quick menu by holding L2, R2, and the Share/View buttons simultaneously. This menu allows you to fine-tune anti-recoil values, adjust aim assist intensity, and cycle through weapon profiles on the fly. Experiment to find your perfect setup. To truly master your Zen in Rust, explore its advanced features like on-the-fly profile switching. Assign different weapon-specific anti-recoil settings to quickly adapt during engagements. Remember to save any personalized game pack adjustments directly to your Zen. This ensures your preferred settings load automatically every time. Should you encounter any problems, always verify your cable connections and confirm that Zen Studio recognizes your device. A quick reboot of both your console and Zen often resolves minor glitches, keeping your gameplay smooth.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.